Hey guys, this is Stella, and today I'm here with another video on how to make some custard. So you're going to need some milk, sugar, custard powder, and a jug, a bowl, and a tablespoon. A glass on microwave. So you're gonna start off by, so this is a video on how to make custard with your microwave, which is a little bit easier than doing it on your stove. So you're going to you're going to put 2 tablespoons of your custard powder in. So you're gonna put it in your bowl, okay? So about, damn, I keep on taking off too much. So yeah, so put in 2 tablespoons, so like 1 and 2. Then put that back in. Then you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 1 tablespoon of sugar. And just give that a little mix. Okay. Then the bowl has to be safe to put in the microwave, so I'm using a glass one, so yeah, that'll be fine. Sorry, my t-shirt is like something in there, sorry. So yeah, once you have did that, I think it says put in 2 cups of milk, sorry. So 2 cups. So in this jug here, it says like 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 cup. So 2 cups, if you do not have the cup size, 2 cups is 500 mils, okay? So obviously 4 cups is 1 liter. So did I get it right? Yay! So 2 cups of milk. It can be full cream milk or light milk. It doesn't really matter. So put in 2 cups. So, oh damn, is that 3 cups or? Oh damn, I thought I went over the line. So guys, alright, then put in 2 cups. So that's about 2 cups right there, and you're going to just pour that into your custard and sugar. Alright, so I'm just going to give that a good, not a good stir, but just get a little tardy stir. And then now, alright, so now just keep on mixing it. Very good mix. Nice mix. Alright, so just keep mixing that. Now we're going to place it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So mine is a liquidy type, obviously thing. So that is mine, dude. And we're going to put that into the microwave for 4 minutes. So, chicken. So, place this in the microwave and put it on high for 4 minutes. So, that's in the microwave for 4 minutes. And now, what you guys can do is, when it's done for 4 minutes, bring it out and then whisk well, and then put it on high for another 3 minutes, or until it's nice and thick, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys know how to make some cool little things. Actually, well, yeah.